All right, I'm going to do a short project here. This, I don't know how well it's showing on camera because the camera tends to adjust for the light available, but it is really, really dark in here. Like that area here where I do my kydex, okay? I put my kydex in the oven, I get it hot, then I come over here and work on the kydex and put it in the press and all that. And it is so dark in this kitchen that I have this fluorescent light up here. It's a fluorescent light fixture. When I turn on, it does like next to nothing to illuminate it in here. So I'm gonna take that down. I'm gonna remove that fixture, and I'm gonna put this double bulb fixture up there. I want it really, really bright in here. So I'm going to put this double fixture in, and then I'm going to put two 100-watt light bulbs. These are LEDs, but they're supposed to be equivalent to 100 watts, so we will see. So let me get that done. I'll get that thing down. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. All right, I got the light bulbs down. Now, I think I need that straight blade? Yeah, slotted screwdriver. I think I can take this down. And here's them antique light bulbs. All that wiring up there is brittle, and it wouldn't take much to break it. All right. Okay. That should be easy enough. All right, I'm going to disconnect them wires. I'm going to pull this off. We'll be right back. All right. I got to connect the black and white up there to the black and white down here. And that ground wire gets attached to one of these right here. And let me get up there and do that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna poke all this up in there and get them screws into these holes right here. Let me do that. We'll put the light bulbs in and see what kind of light we get in here. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a difference. What a difference. Okay, that's great. All right, one little project done.